What's up everybody, welcome to another video. Today we have gaming controllers, wired gaming controllers with 3.5mm port in it, so you can use your headphones or earphones with your gaming controller. Isn't it something new? Isn't it something crazy? Well, we are talking about SoundFox gaming controllers. We have already made another video on SoundFox wireless gaming controllers. These are different, these are wired gaming controllers. You have to connect this gaming controller with a USB-C cable with your Nintendo Switch or PC. This one also have all the other features of that wireless gaming controller and comes with this 3.5mm port. So you can use your wired headphones or earphones with this controller. And I must mention that there is a 20% discount going on, so actually I bought a lot. I bought 5 different controllers from SoundFox. After discount, this one costs only around $20 US. I guess the original price is $25.99 US. So let's do an unboxing. Let's check what things we get inside the box. This is our SoundFox gaming controller, wired gaming controller, and here you can see that 3.5mm port. Like the other one, that wireless one, this one also comes with different skins. You can buy different skins and slap it on your controller. Let's put the gaming controller aside. Let's see what else we have got inside the box. You will get a pretty long USB-A to USB-C cable. This one is a very good quality cable, and this one is required to connect your gaming controller with your PC or Nintendo Switch. You will also get 2 different type of stickers for your buttons. You can use it for your PC or for your Nintendo Switch. There is a quick start guide, which is a thank you card. You will also notice customer support information on that card. Yes, definitely they have included a user manual, a very brief, but almost all the informations, almost all the necessary informations with illustrations are provided inside the user manual. You will get all the guides, and it's pretty easy to set up and use this gaming controller. Okay, it's very easy to connect these wired controllers with your PC or with Nintendo Switch. What you have to do is to take the cable they have provided inside the box, that USB-C cable, plug it into your controller, and the USB-A port connected to your dock, your Nintendo Switch dock. If you wanna directly connect it to your Nintendo Switch, then what you have to do is like what I have done. What I have done is actually I have added a USB-C hub. The USB-C hub is connected to this Nintendo Switch, and the USB-A port of the cable, I have connected this to the USB 3.0 port of the hub. Well, the first thing first, is it comfortable? Definitely this one is comfortable, and this one is very light. If you compare this with other gaming controllers available in the market, within the price segment, then this one is way better, far better. I actually don't share products which doesn't perform in this channel. I only share products which I like, which I personally use in my home, in my office or in my studio. In hand definitely feels premium, and yeah, it's very comfortable. Especially when you are gonna play games for a long time, you need something very light. So let's check the weight of this gaming controller. 168.6 gram. This one is even lighter than the wireless edition. Yeah, SoundFox have another gaming controller that's a wireless edition, and this one is even lighter than that one. Now let's talk about the buttons. Like the wireless edition, this ZR and ZL, these buttons have more travel. This one is more soft and smooth. These left and right buttons, these 2 shoulder buttons, have more clicky feelings. These D-pad also have the same clicky feelings like these 2 shoulder buttons, and the joysticks are really very smooth. Buttery smooth. And this one comes with vibration for different levels of vibration. I really love that vibration. The haptic motor inside this controller is really very strong. I like the design language, I like the color. Altogether, this one is one of my most favorite gaming controllers. There are 3 macro buttons which you can actually customize and do your own mapping. There is a turbo button. So altogether, yeah, it's a very good choice. Moreover, don't forget about that 3.5mm port. Well, it's time to play some games. Let's check the performance. Okay, I must say, the responsiveness is really very high. It's pretty responsive. When you are playing games, there are moments like you need that responsiveness. For a fraction of a second, you may get a goal when you are playing FIFA, football, or when you are playing simulation games. Maybe a fraction of a second sometimes becomes a very important. And this SoundFox controller, this one provides you that responsiveness and satisfaction. Well, let's talk about that macro button and turbo button now. Let me show you how that one works. To activate macro, just press this button for a few seconds. There will be a LED indicator. You can see this, and then you press the buttons or you do the movement that you wanna map, and then press either this button or this button. Yeah, you are good to go. Let me show you. Isn't it fun? Now what about turbo button? To activate turbo button, for example, I want to activate turbo button on this Y. Press Y, press this turbo button, and then press the turbo button and press Y for a few seconds. It's good to go. It's already in turbo mode, the Y button. To cancel turbo mode, press this turbo button and press Y for a few seconds, and yeah, turbo mode is disabled. One more time, let me show you that macro button, how it works. Okay, one more thing I must mention, that these wired gaming controllers comes with 3.5mm ports. Yes, I know I have mentioned this earlier, but as these comes with 3.5mm ports, you can actually get very good sound quality and your microphone will have no latency. There are games like PUBG where you need to communicate with your co-players, and yeah, sometimes a few seconds, a few milliseconds make a difference. As this comes with this 3.5mm port and supports high quality audio, so that's another advantage of these gaming controllers. I actually use my Beats to play games, and yeah, I use it with Wear. I don't use it over Bluetooth, and I've noticed a very big difference in performance. Well, I have been using these controllers for almost 2 weeks now, and I'm very happy, very satisfied. And price performance ratio is very nice. It offers a very good value for money. So if you are looking for a gaming controller, a wired gaming controller for your PC or Nintendo Switch, then definitely you can go with this one. This is my choice at this moment. If you have any other recommendations, then let me know. I will, of course, definitely I will check those controllers, do some comparison, and make another review or comparison video. But if you need wireless gaming controllers, then what about that? Yeah, SoundFox has also covered that part. They also have very nice gaming controllers. This one is my most favorite gaming controller at this moment. So if you want to know more about this one, I have another video. Please don't forget to check that one. Well, that's all. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button, and please share this video with your friends and family. If you have any other recommendation or any other question regarding these controllers, please make a comment and let me know.